Hi, I'm Greg Hall, and I am going to go over how I update my video interface on my website, https://unalisa.net. That's my demo website, and then you would click on the video link under the cool stuff header. But let me show you how I update things. So the first thing I do is go to my Google Chrome, and I go to YouTube. So let's say I just created a video and I want to update that. So I go to YouTube. So I created a YouTube video. And then I go to my channel. This is my channel. So this is the last video I updated. So I already updated this, but let me go through the process. So what I would do is I would double click here.
Because if I press on the key
and then go to edit video to get the URL or the link. Dun, 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 right here, video link. So I want to grab that token right here, the token of that link. I want to copy that. I would do Control C. Again, I already went through this. I'm just going through the process. And then once I grab that token, I would need to update my code. So I hard coded this. It's not in a database. I'll show you what I mean by that. I'll go to Visual Studios 2019. Yes, launch that. Then I will go to this guy here, MVC Tracking Data. That's the project name. And I am looking for the embed_video.htm. And I already updated this code already. So this is coming from a drop down, this code here. Again, it's hard coded, the structure. I just basically copy and paste the structure, and then the tokens go here, right here. So I did mine on something with the mini piano, mini grand, right here, mini grand nice features using OBS. Which is what I'm using now to create this video. I'm using OBS. And so yeah, so that's one I recently updated right here, this guy here. So as you can see, there is the token right here. I already did that already. So once I update the code, I would need to come up here and under solutions, this is the project. I would right click this guy, the project name, and I would click build. So right now, what I do is, let's do this again. So once I make the change, I would save it. And right here, I can actually update it using something called FileZilla. I can go remotely and just update that. But right now, I would update locally you could say the website that's sitting on my hard drive, my local host. So again, under solutions is the project name. I would right click here, and then I would click on build. So I'm building this project. I made changes and now I'm building it, and it's already done. And then one more thing, I would right click it to publish it. I would click on publish, and you'll see a button here that says publish, and I would click on that as well. And that's done. That's about to be done right here. Succeeded. Okay, so I would be done. Make sure you save it, and I'll minimize it, because let's say I look at my site and I see some verbiage that's wrong. I would come back and make that change. So now I would go to FileZilla right here to upload it remotely to my website. So I am using HostGator, Install new version. Oh, let me just install new version. It's asking me to install new version. Yes. So from time to time, it's going to ask you to install the latest version. Hopefully it won't take that long. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Usually it's pretty quick. So that was pretty fast, right? So, okay. So it updated that. And so I would come up here on FileZilla, click on File, click on Site Manager. It's already highlighted here. And these are the settings I have because I want to go to the remote site to update what I just did in the remote site, Gator Host or HostGator. That's my hosting site. So it has everything here, the protocol, the host, the IP, and yeah, and port would be 21. You don't need to put that there. I'll click on connect, and it'll give me some message here. I'll just click OK, and voila, this is the remote site. This is my hard drive here. What I updated here, and I need to make my updates here remotely. So where it says HTTP docs, I would double click this guy. I would go down to look for tools. I see it right here. I double click this. And then I would look for the folder embed underscore videos. And you can see it down here, all the files, embed underscore videos. So I want to update this guy here. So I already have, this is my local site, my hard drive right now. That's what has been already updated, right? I went to Visual Studios and I updated that. And I'm on that directory already. So it's right here. That's the last thing I did here. So you see it right here. I would just right click here and then upload. Click on that. So that's, and then click on here's the message. I just click OK and transfer it's finished. So that's the embed underscore video.html. So that's the file I updated. I made changes to it and updated I just uploaded it and it updated the remote site on HostGator right here. You can see the dates too. So that's it. You know, usually I wouldn't close this right away. I would minimize it because maybe I might have made a typo. So then I would go to my website and I would go to so it's https://unilisa.net, unilisa.net. So all that since I go to that site a lot, it's already there. All I did was enter unilisa.net, enter, and this is my demo site, which bypasses the login screen. And under the cool stuff header, I'm going to click on my video. And this is the default. I can search right here, search videos. But I know I put it under the MetaQuest 3. Even though it's not MetaQuest, it was Mini Grand using OBS. Nice feature. Mini Grand's nice feature. So you can see it right here. I'll click here. And voila, it's going to show the video here. And then I could play it. Once you play it, it just reruns. Once it finishes, it replays. So I'll click here, and if I want to see
it. So this is the Mini Grand software I downloaded
really
yesterday.
Big, click over there.
It's really cool because if I press on the key or chord,
and
you can
if
see
I want
it.
to make it small again,
Pretty cool. You can see it here too as well, but it's so tiny.
Click here again to stop it. So that's how it works. That's pretty much it. And I'll check everything, make sure everything's okay. If I have a typo, I need to go back to Visual Studios here, and it's called right here, embed videos, make the corrections here, my fixes here, or my changes here, my updates here, and then do the same process. Oh, one more thing. So there's two sites I update. I forgot to tell you this. So I'll close this guy. One more thing. So there's something called track data that I update. So let me go back to Visual Studios 2019. So there's two things that I update. I update two projects on the embed, the embed videos. So I already updated this guy. I would come back here on MVC Telerik tracking, That's my staging site. And I would update this as well. So my next video, I'm going to show you how I back up everything, my projects. But in this video, I'm showing you how I back up my video interface, and it's good for me in case I forget later in the future. So here, what I would do is look for tools. Remember, it's under tools, embed videos. So I'd right click here because I need to get it from my other project that I updated, and I would click on edit, add, so existing item, add existing item. So I am looking for CMVC. I am looking for right MVC underscore data, VS 2019. Then I would click on this project MVC tracking data because I want to get that embed video HTML file and update this project. So I'll click this again, MVC tracking project. I'm looking for tools. Remember, it was under tools. It's at alphabetical order right here, tools. And I'm looking for the folder embed videos. And then this is the file I want to update. So I double click here. Do you want to override it? Yes, I do. And once I override it, I can, under the solutions, again, I have to build the project. Right click here on the project name, build. Wait for it to build. So it's succeeded. I right click this again, the project name. I go to publish. I'll see the publish button right over here. I'll click on publish. And that's it. It should finish pretty soon. Dun, 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 dun. And that's it, succeeded. And just to make sure, I'll save this guy. And that's it. And I'll close this. And I'm done. And just to make sure everything was good, so I can close everything. And that's it. That's how I update my video interface. Thanks for watching.